with that being said, today we're going to be working on the bike. Now, the bike right now, it actually it starts up. Well, it doesn't start, but it's getting there. The bike pretty much been sitting for a long time, so now I'm trying to bring it back to life. So that's kind of like a project for me right now. So yeah, these guys over here cutting grass, they're going crazy. So hopefully y'all can hear me. But today what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the tank off and try to clean it out because it's super rusty. So I looked up a tank to price it. It was 800 bucks. So, you know me, I did some research trying to see how you can get all the rust out of a gas tank. So I came across a nice little hack, and we're gonna try it today. So let's get into it. So the tank is just holding on by 2 bolts here. I already got it taken off, and then this bracket right here, you know. But we need to go ahead and lift up the tank. Since we got the tank lifted up, I usually have something propped up there to hold it, but as you can see, all this stuff has to come off before we take the tank off. So let's do it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna want to do is take these connectors off. I already took off one. Here's another one, and then here is one right here, and then the 2 like little lines or whatever. Those are pretty much easy to do. I'm not going to take this here off yet because it's still a little bit of gas in there. I don't want it, you know, spilling everywhere. But just in case a little bit does come out of these lines and stuff, I have, you know, like shop towels and stuff right there. So let's go ahead and knock these out. Oh man.
To do that, go ahead and tip it up out the way. I'll just put it on the side so it doesn't get wet just in case the gas comes out. And then with these, just push the little clip down. It's been on there for a while. I'll wiggle it off. Always use handy dandy pliers. Don't go too crazy because it is old. Just want to kind of rock it until it gets loose. Probably should replace these. Yeah, but that's that. And now we just have this little tab here to take off. Get that off.
And we're all set up under here. Now we just got to take the screw off from the side. We're good to go. So what I'm going to do is make sure that stuff is good. Move the tools out the way. And lay the tank down. You can get to this bolt here. I don't know if you can, yep, there you go. Got to take this bolt out so we can take the tank out. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I got the tank out. Well, I got the screw out. It's this big long screw here. And I do have the tank disconnected. I couldn't really get that footage for y'all because, yeah, I'm a one person, but it was kind of weird, the angle I had to get to the screw. And I just couldn't hold the camera and the tools at the same time. But let me show you the tank. All right, you guys, here is the tank. Now, actually, let me grab the key out the bike and let me show you how rusty this tank is. It still has gas in it too, by the way. But look at this. Look at this. It's rusty all around the top there. If you look in there, it's just rusty, man. You can just tell by this, like it's rusty. You can't really see all the way in the hole because of the lighting, but just trust me when I tell you, it's bad. So go ahead and close that back up. Okay, first thing first, what we about to do is grab the tank, dump out the gas, and rinse it out really good with water. So I'm gonna take it, dump it out, rinse it out really good with water, and then I'm gonna show you all of the solutions and all the stuff that I got that we gonna put in there and see if it breaks down this rust. Hopefully it does, so we don't have to spend $800 on a new tank. So let's go ahead and do that.
Alright, y'all, it's pretty noisy, but took out the fuel pump right here. This actually came off, so hopefully I can put it back on. But yeah, gas spilled all right there. And yeah, bro, it's bad in there, like bad. Like rusted type of bad, and there's still a little bit of gas in there, but I'm about to go ahead and
rinse it out.
So I dumped it out 3 times. Here's the first time, as you can see, rusty. Here's the second time, even bigger chunks. Here's the third time, more rust. So it is rust in there. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's most definitely rust in there. But we rinsed it out with water, so let's go ahead and do the next step. All right, y'all, so got it done. So next step, like I told you, got the works, got it from the dollar store. I got 6 bottles. So what we're gonna do, 6 bottles of these, 6 bottles of water. So fill this up with water and dump it in there. So let's go ahead. I'm leaving my cap on there because my cap, the inside of it is super rusty. I just got it sitting on the floor right now. So start pouring this stuff in there. It's a little plastic little top piece if you want to. Let's pop it off with the pliers. But be careful because you don't want to get this junk on you or on your skin. It's really bad for your skin. So I gotta go fill these up with water, these bottles, and I'm gonna dump it in there. And I'll be right back.
Here it is right here. Low key flipped it upside down because the tape was not holding, even though I put a lot on there. So if you're doing it, you can just flip it upside down, fill it up to the rim. Like I did there. And there it is. It's all the mess I gotta clean up.
Alright guys, so that's the video for today. You see the bike back there, you see me, you seen what I just did. Let's hope this works. So I'm gonna leave it, I'm gonna let it sit overnight for sure. A lot of people say you can leave it for a few hours, but I'm gonna just leave it for the rest of the day, pick it up again tomorrow. So that's where I'm about to end this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this type of stuff, or you like the process of how I did it, or you just like the video, you feel me? Give me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. Let's hit 500 subscribers. See you next video. Peace.